Did you know Hitler once ordered the murder of his closest friends in a single weekend? June 30th, 1934. Hitler unleashed his death squads across Germany. They called it the Night of the Long Knives. For 48 hours, SS assassins struck simultaneously in multiple cities. They dragged victims from restaurants, shot them in their beds, executed them in hotel rooms while other guests watched in terror. Hitler personally traveled to Munich to arrest his own allies, men who had helped him rise to power. His target was Ernst Röhm, leader of the SS stormtroopers. Röhm had been Hitler's friend for over a decade. The SS found Röhm in his hotel room. They threw a pistol on his bed and told him to use it. When he refused, they shot him themselves. In 48 hours, at least 85 people were murdered. Former chancellors, military leaders, political rivals. Hitler later told the German parliament he had saved the nation from treachery. But the real message was clear. Cross Hitler, and even his closest friends would kill you.